Hello, everyone, and welcome to this introduction to artificial intelligence and machine learning. Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT answers your questions? How YouTube recommends videos you might like? Or how Google Maps finds the fastest route? The technology behind many of these smart systems is artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is the ability of machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as understanding language, recognizing images, making decisions, and solving problems. Machine learning, or ML, is a branch of AI that allows computers to learn from data and improve their performance without being explicitly programmed for every task. Instead of following fixed rules, machine learning models identify patterns from large amounts of data and use those patterns to make predictions or decisions. Today, AI and ML are transforming industries such as healthcare, education, finance, transportation, and entertainment. As technology continues to evolve, understanding AI and ML is becoming an essential skill for students, professionals, and innovators.